ජයගමු ශ්‍රී ලංකා මේ 17 සහ 18 නුවරඑළිය සිනේසීටා ක්‍රීඩාංගණයේදී
Group 14 for unforgettable memories through the power of music.
வணக்கம் ஐபவன் அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும். බෞද්ධ හින්දු ඉස්ලාම් හිතුනි ආගමික නායක කරුණි මාගේ පාර්ලිමේන්තු සහෝදර සහෝදරිවරුනි පක්ෂ නායකවරුනි එවාගේ මේ ටර්නින් පොයින්ට් කියන ටර්නින් පොයින්ට් නම් එහෙම විදියට සකස් කරලා ක්‍රියාත්මක කරන අපේ සහෝදරවරුනි මිත්‍රවරුනි I endorse what has been told here by starting from Mahendra, Ilangovan, Suma, Indika, also by the Reverend sirs here, and also the others, also by my good friend Jan Perra. And let us speak straight. That me, that was taken up Mama, but ජනාධිපතිතුමාට රෑ යාමේ ටෙලිෆෝනින් කතා කරා පෙරේදා අවසර මොකද ජනාධිපතිතුමනි I speak to him in English anyway I speak here සිංහල ජනාධිපතිතුමනි මේ සම්පූර්ණ වල මේ රෑ යාමේ පොලිසිය කතා කරලා ප්‍රයිවට් රිසර්ච් එකට ගිහිල්ලා කාන්තා විමඩදාර තල්ලු කරලා ඇදගෙන ආවේ ඇයි කාරණා මොකද කියලා And they had confronted with the police. No. First of all, why did police go there? I asked. The mayor at LTT Samhidare, Third Samhidane. एक नीति है, अपनी करना प्रश्न है ना. एक नीति से तो मात्र एक संबंध उसे वाली गिल्ला चैलेंज करने को हुआ. पर ज़्यादा बना कंग नीति हटते कारण में संविधान है. LTT संविधाने लांच ने मुकद भावच करने तो तबुले भावच के लिए निवास लेते करना Ada, ibu itaku, ada kantawan. Edek nai nama nang, amra itana rata tamat. Eterma itien, das nama itu termin ni. Tekana apa ni? I heard that new development officer for UN that arrived last week. You lot to do, lot of things to do. Obviously, I speak with the ambassador also. Because when the war was won, the last stages of war, the whole world, the international community gave license to the government of Sri Lanka then. To go ahead, license. Go ahead. And promising Sumantran and Manu Ganeshan and others, well, in the war will give you political solution and accountability. There are they now. So-called political solution is again with these 30th Amendment. Reverend sir. Ekadam palasa macam dia na. There is no provincial council also. Let us speak straight. I will speak specific issues. Kita tahu ada kan? Kita tahu ada kan? Kita tahu kan? Kita tahu. Accountability there. Last week, myself and Suma, by the Parliament, the committee discussion on the truth and unity and reconciliation bill is going to come. In both, as he said, well, let us talk about the word in the trunk later. But right now we have a word in hand, that is LLRC. They are talking about the local mechanism. Wait, this very local mechanism of Mahinda Rajapaksa. Itu mana tu ni LLRC? Warta. It is there now. Implement that. Abang differences sini mana ada? Kita mereka tu ada bentino. Implement that. Start by that. Tamil சொல்வார்கள் கூரையேறி கோழி பிடிக்க முடியாதவர்கள் வானமேறி வளர்ந்து போன கதை. கையில் இருக்கும் பறவைதான் LLRC என்ற ஆணைக்குழுவின் பிரேரணைகள் அவற்றை நீங்கள் அவசியம் முதலிலே. So I am coming back to that. So we never got a political solution as promised by the international community. We have now got accountability. Obviously, every year, our MPs and our representatives go to Geneva and come back. Resolution after resolution. It is happening every year. But no solution. That is happening. So the irony is, we can't even, shamefully, we can't even publicly cry or worry, express our concerns about those who that voted. Merely අපේ සහෝදරන් පිළිබඳව, මිත්‍රයන් පිළිබඳව, අම්මලා තාත්තලා අයියලා අක්කලා දකිලා මණ්ඩිලා තමන්ගේ බෞලේ සමාජය පිළිබඳව ප්‍රසිද්ධ සීකරන්න බෑ. මොන කර්මයේද මේක? අවුරුදු 15 කියලා කරා. After 15 years, 15 long years, Mr. Officer, you need officer, diplomatic corps, isn't that? I'm very much disappointed with this diplomatic. It has a community, I should say. After 15 years, since 2009, our people cannot even commemorate the war date. International community has failed to put that, at least that one, that single point into the heads of the hierarchy. This is the Sri Lankan government. Failed. I am not just referring to Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe. Oh, Wickremesinghe, not only everybody. Okay, that's it. Now I am ending it. The only solution is this country need to be a multi-ethnic, multi-linguistic, multi-religious country officially. Unless until you arrive at that point, nothing will change here. This country cannot be a single Buddhist only. This country should be a single Tamil, Muslim, Buddhist, Hindu, Islam, Christian country. Country where we speak 3 languages, Sinhala and Tamil. Fortunately, unfortunately, this language was also one of my responsibility when I was in the cabinet, last cabinet. And English is not only the American language, it's our language too. It is the linked language in our constitution, trilingual policy. So we have to accept this diversity. We should start celebrating diversity. සිංහල බෞද්ධ ජනතාව තමයි සංඛ්‍යාවෙන් ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ 70ක් මිනිටේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මම සිංහලෙක් කියන කතා කරනවා. කොහොමද කිව්වද මෙතන? කොහොමද මෙතන කිව්වා? සිංහල වෙන්න ඕනේ සිංහල කතා කරන්න. සිංහල කතා කරන්න. මම සිංහලෙක් කියලා. Officially I'm an atheist. I don't believe in God. But I am more closer to Buddhism there. Buddhism is not a religion. Correct me if I am wrong. Buddhism is a vision. So I am more close to Buddhism. ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ. අමතම හරියට සිංහල බුද්දිස්ට් කොට කියනකොට ඒ නිසා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. හැබැයි that is 75. You need another 100. Sorry, you need another 25 to make it 100. 100 is Sri Lanka. 75 සිංහල බුද්දිස්ට්. ඒ නිසා ඇත්තම කියලා ඉන්න එපා. 100 කරන්න ඕන නම් මේ රට බහුවාදී පිළිගන්න ඕන. බහුවාදී අපි සර්වනය කරන්න ඕන. අපේ කරන හොර අපි ගන්න. කමන්නේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ගන්න දෙන්න ගන්න. එනිසා මසූතිවන්ත වෙනවා සහෝදරවරුන්ට ඇත්ත මේක පරකුණ ප්‍රමාණවත් හරි හෘදය කරනවා හෘදය කරන්න ඉන්නේ හෘදය කරන්න ඕනේ ඒ වෙන්න හෘදය කරන අපි ප්‍රමාද වුණා බැරි වුණා අපිට දැන් කරනවා කොහොස්තුදී ඔබ නන්දේ වඩකම්